Make breakfast sandwiches for breakfast. And Silas is on the table. Hey Silas. And Grace is trying to give him an egg. Eat it. So that's what's going on, you guys.
Hey guys, we pick up the truck at Emily's and Jordan's, so that's what's
Grace,
going on, guys.
are you vacuuming? That's not on? You have to push it. Yep. I think the battery's dead. Push it. Push it. Are you going to vacuum, Grace? Are you vacuuming? Just got home and I got a truck for tomorrow. So that's what's going on. What are we doing?
Going to a multicultural festival.
So, Silas mad at us because we didn't give him a bottle. But
No,
we did.
he's mad because I can't walk and feed him at the same time.
Yeah, and Grace is just chilling over there. So that's what's going on, you guys.
Ready? Let her have a turn. Yeah, that works too.
Are you going to toss it, Grace? Grab a big bag. Toss it.
I wrote this one to bring the traditions.
There you go.
This
Almost.
celebration of Mexican celebration that I wanted to gather.
There you go.
Two flavors.
Toss it now. Keep going.
Tequila, and this is the
Keep tossing
it.
So I just packed up my suitcase for tomorrow. So that's what I did. Rachel's just working on her stuff and the kids stuff. So that's what's going on. So I'm just relaxing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done. And I'm doing.
I hope you guys enjoy this episode, guys. Do give a big thumbs up. Good night.